Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. I got me another Sony Starvis sensor dash cam. Yeah, the reason why I say Sony Starvis is because pretty much, guys, when you are looking at these dash cam, you're gonna want to look at the sensor itself because that's what makes the difference in the image quality. Sony makes these sensors for these dash cam, and pretty much the Starvis is one of the best one out there. This one right here is a 2K sensor, so you're gonna get some 2K footage out of this one. This company VIOFO is the sponsor of this video, and they did send me this product to have me test it out. But here's the thing though, all the comments on here, my first look, my opinions on this product is mine alone. They have not seen this video ahead of time to approve it or anything like that, okay? So yeah, just an FYI on that one, they have not approved this video whatsoever, all right? Okay, so anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this one, and then we're gonna test it in my car. That's what we're gonna do, all right? So if you are looking for one of those really easy dash cam, this is probably gonna be one of those instead of the really complicated one where, you know, there's a rear one and ones that records the cabin and stuff like that. This one is just a plain Jane, straightforward with a good sensor, 2K sensor, and yeah, that's it right there. Okay, so if you look at this right here, you probably know exactly what it does. You mount this onto your glass, which, by the way, once you mount this thing on there, it stays on there forever. It's really strong, this 3M stuff right here. And then you can tilt this. See if I can show you like this. You can tilt it to get the best angle right there. It is a USB-C port, so that's great right there. Mine's already hooked up with USB-C. And then obviously, you know, it's got all the record button and stuff like that. By the way, this button right here, the reason why it's bigger than all the other one is because once you get into an accident, you can actually hit this button for it to save that, lock that footage down, yeah, so that you don't accidentally overwrite that footage, because you know with webcam it just loops over the recordings, right, as you're going, depending on how big your memory card is, that kind of stuff, so that it just loops the recording. So I have like a 64 gig in mine, and it actually lasts pretty long, because obviously the footage that you need is going to be the one that you got into an accident with, okay? All right, so there we go. Let's see here. It comes with a really long USB-C, right angle USB-C, huh? Wow. Oops. It comes with a right angle USB-C with a cigarette lighter adapter right here. Very nice. You don't have to use this, by the way, if you have your own extra long USB-C cords, which I do. I'm probably not going to use this because mine's already, like, I've already hooked it up. And then just a small USB-C if you need that, which I will be using that here in a little bit. And then some this little funky gadget right here. This is what I use to, like, hide all my wires. Very useful right here. So next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this thing into a car and see if we can go do some driving and get some actual street footage out of it. It should look a lot better than in here, because in here is a little bit darker. Okay, anyway, so let's go ahead and do it.